तो कैसे हैं आप लोग?
Motivato.
Hello and a very warm welcome at Sunday Look Back with Motivato. I am Swastik and I will be taking you through a recap of what all happened in the automotive industry this week. After resuming operations, one employee at Maruti's Manesar-based plant tested positive for the coronavirus. Well, need not worry because all the necessary immediate actions were taken. Followed by MG partnered with MedClean under the campaign Innovation and Safety to come up with Serafusion technology. Well, this technology generates active oxygen cells that latches themselves to the air pollutants, thus destroy them. The 2021 Sonata FE SUV has come up with a new quirk called the recessed lighting. Well, what it does, it has the headlamps inside of the grille and not outside of the grille as in other conventional cars. The best part is that when the lights are turned off, they totally blend in with the grille. That is something amazing. Moving on with McLaren recently mortgaged its headquarters and its historical car collection. As we all know that they did so to cover up the losses due to the coronavirus. But this doesn't seem to be all. So they had to take down 1200 jobs to cover the losses completely. It is truly sad to see what is going on in the automotive industry due to the pandemic. But moving forward, Ola Electric, a subsidiary of Ola Cabs, has taken over a Netherlands-based company called Itergo, which is an electric scooter company. Well, best part is that they plan to launch 2 electric new scooters in the upcoming year. Ola Electric coming up with bikes? I am sure. Mercedes has come up with 2 new facelifts this week. The 2 cars are C63 Coupe and the GTR. The C63 Coupe has come with its classic Pan Americana grille and there have been a few design changes as well. But on the other hand, GTR has come up with a number of design changes and an increased price tag. Just like the BMW 5 Series, the BMW 6 Series has also received a mid-cycle upgrade. Well, it looks super cool with bigger grills. Moving forward with Datsun. Datsun Ready Go has launched its 2020 version with a BS6 compliant engine. Moving forward, Honda attains a new patent about a semi-automatic clutch system. The vision behind was to create a superior experience for the riders and to create a quick shifter. Followed by pre-bookings for the Triumph Tiger 900 has commenced recently 2 days ago on Thursday. Well, we can see that it was initially launched in the international markets, but now it can be seen roaring in the Indian market as well. Moving forward, FIA on Friday has announced a budget cap in the upcoming seasons. Well, the budget cap is done to provide a fair chance to win the race to all the participants with less budget. Moving on, you all must have heard about the DB5 Aston Martin Goldfinger, which has been the most iconic car of Aston Martin as it was near and dear to the 007, none other than James Bond. Well, now it can be seen back in productions and I feel safe to say that it is Martin, Aston Martin. The 2021 Jeep Compass facelift will be revealed on 4th of June. It can be seen with a lot of new updates. Well, moving forward, BMW has launched yet another series this month, which is the BMW 4 Series Coupe. Initially, it was in a lot of controversy and was much criticized because of its humongous grills. But now it can be seen that the actual version, besides of the concept, has smaller kidney grills that looks much better. Nissan released a teaser for the 400Z Coupe. which is their new supercar. Mercedes-Benz is launching the next generation of its GLS SUV, which is the largest SUV the car maker has to offer in India. It will be revealed on 17th of June 2020. This seems to be up for this week. If you like our content, don't forget to like, share and follow us. Show your love, show your support. Adios.